Okay, so we're about 2.5 hours into the actual repair, and this is what we have so far. We got a lot of glue pulling done, got the door off the vehicle and under the tent. Let's take a look. So we got it on our hood stand here. Got my little stool, tool cart, and I don't have it all the way up. The reason why is, I don't know. I guess so I can keep the sun out as much as possible. I got this tent 2 weeks ago or last week because it was raining really, really bad. And I'm glad I have it. It's pretty awesome. We're gonna fix all this with the tools. So this section right here was low and it was oil canning. And I was trying to figure out why it was oil canning. And I knew there was hidden damage somewhere. And under here, you see the cracked paint. But what I noticed was that the door shell here, this section from here to here was down about a 1/4 inch. So what I did, I used the Dent Craft dolly, the yellow one, the curved radius, to match up to that. And I took the yellow dolly and my red snap-on hammer right there, and I just tapped it up until I got it back into the correct shape that it needs to be, that slight arch. Because before, it had the arch, and then it dropped down and went across. So it was down, I say, about a 1/4 inch at least. I mean, it was very significant. I wish I would have filmed it to show you. But now we got it pretty good, just like we need it to be. And now it's not oil canning anymore. So now we can fix the dent, and we should be good. Okay, so after it's 5 o'clock now, we started at 8:30 on the actual repair, and take a look at it. It looks pretty damn good. I'm excited about this one. that little spot right there really kicked my butt. And then this spot here, oil canned, but just look at it. You can see ripples in it, but man, it was very difficult. Look at the handle there. Got all that out pretty good. From 8:30 to 5 o'clock. Okay, so before we put this back on there, we gotta apply some Easy Coat Sim Direct Metal. This one's gray, 62243, and we're gonna apply it to the spots that we grinded down to the bare metal. Okay, so now that that's applied, we're gonna let that dry down. Okay, so now that we got our Sim Coat Direct Metal paint, now we got our Easy Coat Sim Direct Metal. Matches OEM E-Coat to quickly restore factory appearance. This stuff is amazing. I highly recommend you get this. At least one color. They have several. Just get at least one. So we're going to let that dry, and then once it dries, we're going to put this back on there. This is very important to put on there. It's an NVH pad, and it helps the panel from fluttering and making sounds and vibrations while it's driving down the road. We are going to put the door back on the vehicle. Look at that gap. It's perfect.